Hey everyone, welcome back to Dashcam Time. Hope you enjoy the video.
Watch it, he's coming over! Buddy! Don't. You don't need to do that.
That looks weird. I can barely tell what that is. One day, could you take me there? One day?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you okay, Bubba? Okay. Yeah, we're good.
What did he say here? What did he say here?
Oh my god. Shit. Oh, a car just flipped.
Is that the guy who went by us?
I don't know. Do we need to call someone?
Yeah, call 911.
From behind too.
Oh, she's getting out.
Yeah.
Should I call? Or should
Yeah,
I
call 911.
State Troopers, facing you at 78, it's a 55 zone. Okay, do you have your license, registration? Fine's not as high, and then you can either go to court or do it online. Be right back. Everyone do it, 233. The car stop just got struck. Send me some cars over here in medical. Are you okay? Okay. David, also send me TOC. Have Denver shut down the interstate at I-70. Are you okay? Okay, I got help on the way, okay? Then just lean up against the guardrail or the Jersey wall. Woo! Not bad. What's that?
거를 좀 도와줄 건 했었어. 엄마가 어떠냐 그랬고 언니가 했더니까 오씨
And for those of you who know, the people in the creative space are meant to be open and free-flowing and want to have discussions. Apparently not. Apparently they want to censor Joe Rogan and censor the, again, credible and reputable people that he is having on his podcast. Why? Because they can't handle the cognitive dissonance that comes along with hearing real facts. I think that's exactly what it is. I don't think it's about misinformation.
On my side of the road.
I don't think it's about people's health and wellness. I think they can't stand somebody who refuses to go along with the narrative. And Joe Rogan is somebody who's been open to having everybody.
Do you want your clip featured on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video descriptions. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident and then just submit. It really is that easy.